Welcome to Why Stuff Happens. I am Hope. Let's find out together.
Let's dive in.
This is the brief on why our fingers wrinkle in water. We're diving into the biological mechanics and Max Delbruck Center research behind why hands get pruny in the tub to see if this quirky trait is an evolutionary superpower or just a physiological glitch. First, wrinkling is an involuntary response by the autonomic nervous system. When exposed to water, tiny blood vessels in your fingers constrict, leading to a loss of digit volume. This creates a negative pressure in the finger pulp that pulls the outer skin downward unevenly, creating wrinkles. You know, it's exactly like a deflating balloon, where the inside shrinks and tightly pulls down the outer layer. Second, we have the grip theory. A highly publicized 2013 study from Newcastle University theorized these wrinkles acted kind of like rain treads on a tire, enhancing our grip and touch sensitivity on wet objects. So, does turning into a human prune actually give us a superhero grip advantage? Well, finally, researchers Julia Haselo and Damir Omergoshik totally busted this myth. They had 40 volunteers soak their hands in warm 40 degrees Celsius water for 30 minutes, then transfer 52 objects, like glass marbles and brass weights, through a tiny 5-centimeter hole. The results showed absolutely zero advantage in dexterity or touch sensitivity compared to normal dry fingers. We gotta push back on the idea of an evolutionary purpose here. Wrinkled fingers likely have no actual advantage at all, being just a pointless, unavoidable side effect of our blood vessels constricting. So, while the mechanics of shrinking blood vessels are pretty fascinating, those pruny fingers aren't going to make you any better at catching a slippery bar of soap.